In 1784, a remarkable chapter in history unfolded when the Duke of Cumberland issued a charter for African Lodge No. 459, a pivotal moment for the African diaspora in England. This lodge, established in the heart of London, became a beacon of hope and unity for Black Freemasons, fostering a sense of identity and community during a time of profound social upheaval. The Duke's support was not merely ceremonial, it symbolized a recognition of the contributions and rights of Black individuals in a society that often marginalized them. African Lodge No. 459 became a sanctuary for intellectual exchange and mutual aid, empowering its members to rise above the constraints of their time. It was here that leaders emerged, advocating for social justice and equality, laying the groundwork for future generations. The legacy of this lodge is a testament to resilience and the enduring spirit of those who dared to dream of a better world. Through their courage and camaraderie, they not only shaped their own destinies but also inspired countless others to pursue freedom and dignity.